Man, it said sprinkle and I just dumped it. Get it together. Ugh. Well, I am legitimately scared it is going to be too salty. Oh my heavens. Hello, welcome back to Maedae in the Kitchen. I'm Maedae, and today we are going to dive into a children's book and cook a recipe from that book. The book we have today is Cora Cooks Pancit. It is about a little girl who has older siblings, and they get to always cook pancit with her mom, and then the siblings go off somewhere, and Cora is able to cook the pancit with her mother and serve it for dinner. And we are going to cook that recipe. If you guys are ready to see how Cora cooks her pancit, then let's get cooking. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as well as hit that bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Also, be sure to check out my Instagram. Behind the scenes, what am I doing with my life? You guys can see exactly what is going on with Maedae outside of the kitchen. So I go to restaurants, I have fun with my friends, my family, things like that. Go check it out and see what I'm up to every day besides just Wednesdays. Let's just go through some of the prep. So you have to cook the chicken ahead of time. I did that yesterday. I was gonna film this yesterday, but there was just too much to do, so I didn't film yesterday. I cooked the chicken, 3 boneless chicken breasts in a crock pot for 3 hours on high with half a cup of chicken broth and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. The next thing that I did ahead of time was hydrate our noodles and our dried shiitake mushrooms. Guys, these mushrooms smell horrible. Horrible. Like, it reminds me of things that dogs do that don't smell very nice. It's just not good. So I'm going to keep the shiitake mushrooms away. They're gone. I'm not using them because I really want to enjoy this meal, and if I can't stand the smell of it, like legit, I cannot stand the smell of it, then I won't be able to eat it. So unfortunately, shiitake mushrooms are out of the picture, out of the recipe, out of this try of the recipe. Ugh, gross. The next thing that I needed to do ahead of time was hard boil 3 eggs. Now we are going to get to the cooking. First thing I need to do is get my chicken, my mushrooms, and my yellow onion. I'm not using mushrooms, so just chicken, yellow onion, and soy sauce. Here is my chicken from last night. Oh my heavens, get out. Alright, so my yellow onion just needs to be chopped, so I'm just gonna kind of make some rough slices here, and we are just chopping it up. It's like the faster you chop, the less likely you'll cry because you're just going so fast. That's my theory. But I don't think it's working because I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Onions just went in, and now 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I should probably put on an apron. Oh, it's getting toasty in here. Fun thing, if you didn't know, easy way to peel garlic, you just smash it. Point the blade away from you and just smash. And it takes the peel right off. Ugh, it becomes very sticky though. Also, fun fact, you can peel garlic with just a spoon. Garlic. Ginger, you can peel ginger with just a spoon. I just need to sprinkle it with some salt and pepper, and we're just going to kind of let it warm up and cook. I don't want to put too much salt in it because, wow, my eyes are very sensitive right now. Because we already put soy sauce in it. So not a lot of salt because there's already soy sauce in it. I am going to do the next step, which is to take half a cabbage. Taking half of it. I'm going to shred it by just cutting thin slices. I only have 2 burners on my stovetop. I'm going to take this off for a little bit and put this on it with a little bit of oil. It says to cook it in a large, shallow pot. I don't really have a large, shallow pot, so I just did a large, deep pot. Hopefully it doesn't make that big of a difference. I need 3 celery stalks. And some carrots. So, let's kind of throw this all in. I just got this because, like, where I got carrots, you can only get, like, a big old thing of, like, 6 or more carrots. And I didn't want that many carrots, but you need 2 carrots thinly sliced. Okay, I need to add baby corn, bamboo shoots, and water chestnuts now. If you guys have never tried pancit, I recommend you do try it. It is so delicious. I can't even explain how good it is. Ugh. I probably should have said this at the beginning of the video, but pancit is a Filipino dish. I have some Filipino friends and I've tried it and it is so delicious. Okay, again, we're just gonna sprinkle. Oh, jeez. That was a lot of salt. I wasn't expecting it to pour out that fast. Okay, no more salt, ever. And pepper. Man, it said sprinkle and I just dumped it. I need better ways of pouring my salt. Okay, now that that is cooked, I am going to add my chicken to it. It says a chicken and mushroom mixture, but there's no mushrooms, so just my chickens. I'm taking that off of the stove, and now I need to do something with my noodles. Maybe I can dump this back into here. I'm running out of pots. Okay, I need 1.5 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of oil, and a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. It says to put a sprinkle of salt, but since I put a lot of salt in that, I'm not going to put salt. So, I need to bring it to a light boil. I think it's at a light boil. Adding my noodles, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. The only thing I'm worried about is this. This right here is a lot. And I don't have a lot of noodles. And I love noodles. So I'm really scared it's gonna be too salty. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, that's kind of salty. Okay. The noodles have been cooking for 5 minutes, so now I just need to add my chicken vegetable mix with the noodles. Oh, it's gonna be too salty! Guys, not cool, not cool. It looks like pancit, but will it taste like pancit? Oh, I think there was enough noodles, because, like, honestly, it looks very noodly. Noodly. Nudie. Ah. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, it's looking really good. And it's smelling really good. I'm excited now. I'm back on track. Very excited. Oh my gosh. Done. I am done. Ugh. I need to garnish it. So I'm going to chop up some green onions and some hard-boiled eggs. I boiled them perfectly. They're not peeling very nicely, but they are cooked very nicely. Oh my gosh. Get it together. Get it together. So I sprinkled on the green onions, and lastly, we just put an egg in there, I guess. And now it says to serve it. So I'm gonna serve it to myself and eat it. And hopefully you are gonna serve it to yourself and eat your pancit. Y'all know I need chopsticks for this. Like, it tastes good, but I know I missed a mark because the Filipinos I know, their pancit is so good. Maybe I need to try another bite. It's good, but it's not the best I've ever had, which kind of disappoints me. Okay, well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I suggest buying the book, reading it with your children, and creating this dish with them. It was super easy. You just have to, prep the chicken and the noodles ahead of time. But besides that, honestly, it was kind of just like putting things together, and it got done fairly quickly. Like, I thought I'd be here a lot longer. If you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and bell notification so that you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. Please go out, try this dish. If you do, make sure to let me know somehow, tag me in your photo, do something, and I'll even upload it to my story. I really want to see you guys out there cooking, making these dishes, and just being together as a family or by yourself, whatever it is, enjoying your time. All right, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.